I'm able to manifest. This house, for example, I manifested this.
If you won the lottery, who would beg you for money? This guy in Maryland won the lottery 3 times this year. What are the odds? When the heart is coherent, it tends to produce an external magnetic field that's up to 3 meters wide. That's a Wi-Fi signal, and the brain could lay information on that signal. So stop wanting money. Wanting money is the problem. If you're wanting money, the signal you're sending says, I don't have any. So you get more of what you don't have. The trick is something you've never seen before. It's a microscopic brainwave. Researchers found there's a brainwave that attracts money. It just needs to be activated by using the 7-second brainwave that's now being seen on the campus of both Harvard and Yale. So when wealth experts tell you you don't work hard enough, the actual neuroscience says they're misleading you. Billionaires use this brainwave to attract money instead of chasing it because they've activated it. The trick is a 7-second brainwave created by leading neuroscientist Dr. Thomas Summers. The neuroscientist of 34 years, Dr. Summers was among the very first scientists to investigate the link between brainwaves and money. So what you're about to hear is based on decades of first-hand experience. When you tap the button below, you're going to discover Dr. Summers' 7-second brainwave that anyone can do at home to make more money start appearing in your life as soon as today. You'll also discover the 250 million year old brain region now proven in 4 neuroscience labs that attract money, and the 3 innocent habits people do every day that make sure manifestation will not work. So if you're finding it impossible to get ahead, then go ahead and tap the button below this video to see Dr. Summers' 7-second brainwave now while it's still online. While others struggle financially, you can let the money come to you starting today by harnessing the hard work of 34 years of neuroscience. Tap the button below this video to see Dr. Summers' 7-second brainwave now.